Hi. Let's start using FL Studio for the first time. This is an FL Studio 2025 for Beginners tutorial, so you don't need any prior experience using FL Studio in order to follow through this guide. In the FL Studio interface, the most important part is the toolbar. You mostly want to pay attention to these three windows: the browser, the channel rack, and the playlist. As you can see, the channel rack is already visible. The channel rack is a beat sequencer, and it allows you to create a loop in FL Studio. So let's use it to create our first beat. Here you have 5 default sounds. To add a beat in a given interval, left-click to add it to an empty spot, and right-click to remove it, then hit the speaker icon to play it. To make the beat longer and more complicated, just move the slider to the right and activate more beats. Now, let's add some vocals to our beat sequence by importing it from FL Studio's free sound pack. First, make sure the browser window is open. Then, press the All button. Unfold the pack's directory, then left-click a sound to preview it. Drag it below the last sound effect in order to add it to the loop sequence. Press the speaker icon to play it. To add the loop to a track, left-click the playlist to place it. You can add it multiple times. You have created your first FL Studio mix. Now let's save it as MP3 audio file. Go to File, Export MP3 file, select where to save it, and press Start. All done. Please subscribe for more.